For some of us, losing weight is a tricky thing. It's like there is no easy way to do this. But what if there are things which you can do every day to stop gaining weight? So today I would like to talk about easy ways to lose weight naturally. Well, I want to personally say that I was weighing around 68 kg or 150 pounds and I managed to reduce my weight to 53 kg or 117 pounds. So, the tips which I am going to discuss is from my own personal experience. First point is drink water sufficiently. It is true that drinking water can help a lot with weight loss. Drinking half liters of water may increase the calories you burn by 24 to 30% for an hour afterward. Water is good when it replaces other beverages that are high in calories and sugar. So always keep a bottle filled with water with you. One thing you have to consider about drinking water is that drink 1 glass of water 30 minutes before a meal to help digestion. Remember not to drink too soon before or after a meal as the water will dilute the digestive juices. Drink water 45 minutes after the meal to allow the body to absorb the nutrients. Second point is eat variety of nutritious foods. A simple way to create a meal plan is to make sure that each meal consists of 50% fruit and vegetables, 25% whole grains and 25% protein. Total fiber intake should be 25 to 30 grams daily. Try to eat fruits whenever you are craving for sweetness. Fruits are better alternative with fewer calories and more fiber. And also try to avoid fruits at night. Don't starve yourself. Going long periods of time without food does more harm than good. It will make you to eat more. You can have 3 meals and 2 snacks every day. Third point is eat mindfully. Mindful eating is a method used to increase awareness while eating. Many people benefit from mindful eating, which involves being fully aware of why, when, where, and what they eat. It helps to make conscious food choices and develop awareness of what you eat. People who practice mindful eating also try to eat more slowly and savor their food, concentrating on the taste. Chewing more slowly may help you eat fewer calories and increase the production of hormones that are linked to weight loss. By making conscious food choices, increasing your awareness and listening to your body, weight loss should follow naturally. Fourth point is lighten the foods you love. One way or another, we all have cravings, so it is difficult to avoid completely. Sometimes, if you do that, it will end up in overeating. One of the easiest ways to cut back without feeling denied is to reduce the quantity of the food consumed. For example, instead of having 1 cup of your favorite beverage, you can have half cup. And another solution is to switch to lower calorie versions of the foods you crave. A pizza tastes just as good with reduced cheese, garnishing low-fat ice cream with your favorite toppings. Well, something is better than nothing. Fifth point is exercise wisely. Regular exercise is vital for both physical and mental health. If thought of workout seems intimidating to someone who is new to exercise, they can begin by doing the activities like taking the stairs, dancing, walking a dog, playing outdoor games. So try to find an exercise that you enjoy. Get yourself a pedometer and gradually add more steps until you reach 10,000 steps per day. Throughout the day, do whatever you can to be more active, like pace while you talk on the phone and march in place during television commercials. Having a pedometer serves as a constant motivator and reminder. One thing you have to remember is that it's not a good idea to eat unhealthy processed foods and drink sugar beverages and then exercise for hours daily just to compensate. Do some sort of cardio, whether it is jogging, running, cycling, power walking is a great way to burn calories. So, these are the main tips which I have tried during my weight loss journey. So, what are the things you are trying or have tried for your weight loss journey? Write down in the comment section below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. If you want to see videos like this, hit the bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook,